Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Basecamp, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an admin into your Basecamp? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add an admin into your Basecamp anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different VAs or assistants, and maybe you want to put one of them in charge of admin for your Basecamp to help manage your projects and your team. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Basecamp dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Basecamp, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to assign somebody to an admin position in your Basecamp, they have to be a part of your company. If you need help adding a member into your Basecamp, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. For this video, I'm going to do a quick overview on how to do that. So first, you're going to click on admin land here on the top right. It's in gray. Once you do that, you're going to click here on manage people. Once you click on manage people, you're going to see all of your team members. But if you want to add a new one, you're going to click here, invite someone new. Okay, next, you need to be sure that you choose this one, someone who works at your company. If they're simply a collaborator or a client, you're not going to be able to add them as an admin. So once that's checked, click this green button, next, enter their name. Okay, so here you can enter their name, their email address, and their job title. Once they receive that invitation, they'll need to accept it. Then they'll be added into your company. Once they're added into your company, you can promote them into an admin. So let me go back to the home page. Okay, so to promote somebody who's already in your organization to an admin, here on the top right, click on admin land, and then scroll down until you see this, add or remove administrators. All right, next you're going to see your name right here because you're the owner. And to add somebody in your company as an admin, click in this box and then type in their name. Once you start typing in their name, you're going to see their name pop up right here. If their name doesn't pop up, that means you haven't added them into your company yet. So you need to go back to the step before. But once you see their name, click on their name, and then you want to click here on grant administrator powers. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that person is added as an administrator in my Basecamp account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an admin into your Basecamp account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.